Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of event management, specifically how you can leverage UPBASE to streamline your vendor management. First up, log into your UPBASE account. If you haven't got one, it's a simple process to sign up. This step is crucial because UPBASE is the platform where all your vendor management activities will take place. Once you're logged in, head to the Vendor Management tab. This is where you'll find all the tools necessary to manage your vendors effectively. Let me explain why this matters. Centralizing your vendor activities helps you keep a clear overview and avoid any miscommunication. Now, click on Add New Vendor. Here, you'll add the details of your vendor: name, contact information, the type of services they offer, and any other relevant information. The reason we do this is to ensure we have all our vendors' information in one place, making it easier to manage and communicate with them. Next up, once your vendor is added, you'll see an option to assign them to specific events. This helps us because it ensures each vendor is connected to the appropriate event, enabling a smoother operation. Then, it's time to manage your vendor tasks. Click on Assign Tasks to delegate specific duties to your vendors. This is critical as it ensures each vendor knows exactly what their responsibilities are, helping to avoid any confusion or last-minute hassles. Lastly, you can track your vendor progress by clicking on Vendor Progress. This gives you real-time updates on how your vendors are performing, ensuring everything is on track. And there you have it. Just like that, you've mastered the basics of using UPBASE for event vendor management. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and communicate clearly with your vendors. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.